All right, let's talk about replacing one of these silicone belt covers. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the machine, we're going to flip it over. We're going to take the strap off on the one side. And then what you're going to do, let's say we want to replace this one. We want to center this. So we're going to start the machine, and I'm going to stop it when this is centered here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a medium-sized screwdriver, and I'm just going to remove these two stainless steel scraping blades. So I'm going to loosen this up, and then I'm just going to lift this straight off. I leave the screw in there so I don't lose it. Do the same thing with the second side. Then I'm going to remove this belt cover. I'm going to take the new one. There is a top and a bottom. The way you know there's a bottom is there's a notch on here. So that notch is going to go over this little pin down here. So it'll look the same on both sides, so that's how you know if it's upside down or not. Then once this is flush, then you just reverse the process. So you're going to take the first scraping blade, tighten that down. Looks like I had it in the wrong spot there. Then you're going to hand tighten it. You're just going to finger tighten it. You don't want to over torque it, but you want to make sure it's tight enough that it stays. So then you're going to do the same thing for the front side. And torque it down again. It's a good idea after 1 or 2 therapy sessions, you can just pull on these scraping blades to make sure they stay tight. I would just check all of them. And there you go. That's the process. Pretty simple.